The collapse of the Chinese stock market started for real today. And that is, you saw the Joe Rogan and Peter Zion video where they explained how China is losing its position as a result of demographics and their lack of food and oil and gas. Then you saw this morning where Jay Colson and Kyle Bass declared that with the downfall of China, and if we invade Taiwan, there's companies like Apple, Tesla, Goldman Sachs, and Nike, who have a heavy investment in China, are in jeopardy as well. And then also this morning, I hope you saw that Elon said he's going to build a new plant in Indonesia. And I feel that's probably because he figures Xi Jinping's going to take the plant he's got in Singapore away from him once they invade Taiwan. So if you want to learn more about this and know how to invest accordingly, come to my channel, Best of Us Investors, and we'll go into this in great detail.